Hello everyone, welcome back to All PC Geek. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Android apps on your Windows PC without using any emulator. This method allows you to install Android apps just like native Windows software, using Windows Subsystem for Android. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key and search for Windows features. When it appears, click on Turn Windows Features On or Off. In the Windows Features window, scroll down and check Virtual Machine Platform, then click OK to apply the changes. Once it finishes, restart your PC. After restarting, make sure your PC is connected to the internet. Now open Chrome or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Windows Subsystem for Android and press Enter. Once the page loads, click on the second link, which will take you to the official GitHub page. When the page opens, scroll down and on the right side, click on the green Latest Release. Scroll down to Assets and click on the WSA package to start downloading. The download may take some time depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. You'll see that the file is in ZIP format. Drag it to your desktop and extract it there. Open the extracted folder and scroll down until you find Run. Right-click on it and select Run as administrator. When a prompt appears, click Continue and wait for the installation to finish. Next, open your browser again and search for WSA Pacman. Click on the GitHub link. Scroll down to Assets and download the latest release. After downloading, install WSA Pacman. Now press the Windows key, search for Play Store, and open it. If you already have a Google account, sign in. If not, create a new one. Once signed in, you can now download Android apps directly from the Play Store on your Windows PC. Let me also show you how to install Android apps manually from storage. Press the Windows key and search for Windows Subsystem for Android, then open it. Go to Advanced Settings and turn on Developer Mode. Under Developer Options, enable USB debugging. Close the window. Now press the Windows key, search for WSA Pacman, and launch it. To install an app from your storage, simply double-click the APK file. When the ADB debugging prompt appears, click Allow, and the app will install automatically. That's it. Your Android app is now installed on Windows. And that's how you can install Android apps on your Windows PC without using any emulator. This method gives you better performance, better compatibility, and a more native Windows experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to All PC Geek, and share it with anyone who might find it useful. If you have any questions or face any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.